Okay, but it's time to go to school. Okay, guys. Okay, class, today we're going to start some science and the teacher can go to the toilet. Yes, you can, but just be quick. Okay, I'm going to set off the 5 alarm. Okay, class, today we're going to do some chemistry in our science lesson. So, we're going to... Oh, is that the fire alarm? Oh, come on, guys, we have to go outside until it turns off.
Yeah, but also if you had a call.
In the film situation there.
No.
Oh, it is. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, well, ask it in then, Boo, before you start. If you haven't started with it.
Okay, guys, until the alarm goes off, we're going to stay up here, okay? Do you know why the alarm went off? Why? Because I set it off when I went to the bathroom. Oh, well, anyways, guys, the alarm stopped. So let's go back to those before. Cooper, when the alarm went off, you were in the bathroom. Did you set off the alarm? No. Are you sure? Oh, fine, I did. Well, don't do it again, or you'll get sent to the wall for the whole break and lunchtime. Fine. Right, let's go back to the classroom, guys. Hey guys, hey, welcome to school. Looks great, cool.